Finally, mobile gimbal is in my hand. Use this and check what the items are provided with this gimbal. This is from Digitek brand. What are the accessories items provided with this gimbal? This is manual handbook. All the operating system are mentioned here with. Let me go through this later. And this is hand strap and Type-C charger. This is AI face tracking. Hill light manual. This is an extra item company has given with this gimbal. This is tripod stand. We can use this gimbal as tripod as well. Better and secure stability. And this is L key. This is the final product gimbal. 3axis smartphone gimbal. I was longing from the long time to have this, and finally this is in my hand. Now the gimbal is ready. They provided with mode key, power key, joystick and trigger button and back and zoom in zoom out with or better and easy operation. It is so handy, and we can use this with single hand. Battery rechargeable and removable. When battery get bad or not working, we can change it, replace it with another one. But we ensure that the battery must be rechargeable. I hope I will shoot good videos